Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here with a brand new shortcut quilt called Layer Cake Custard. You can download the free pattern in the links below, print it, and I'll get started. What you need is one Moda layer cake and a background fabric. We're gonna first start by making our custard block. To start that, we're gonna make a 9 patch. Super simple beginner stitching. You're just gonna have 5 fabric C's and 4 fabric B's. Use a 1/4 inch seam and put those together like that, and then put that together. And ta-da! Magically you have a simple 9 patch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into quarters. So that would be 6 1/4 inches. You're going to just take a simple Creative Grids ruler, put 6 1/4 inches on the edge, trim. Be very careful not to move your fabric. The less you move, the better. And you are going to have 4 custard units. To finish your custard block, you're going to have your 4 custard units, 2 fabric G rectangles, press, then add your fabric F rectangles and press, and you've got your custard block, which is your first block in this quilt. So let's move to the second block. To make your cake block, which is your final block, you're going to use a fabric A layer cake square, add fabric E rectangles and press, and then add fabric D rectangles and press. And this is your cake block, and all you have to do now is alternate your cake and your custard blocks. There's no sashing, no borders, super easy. So make sure to make this layer cake custard quilt. We'd love to see what you make. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.